IRS tax filing season 2023. You're getting ready to file your 2022 tax return. Well, we are going to go over some business deductions and expenses directly from the irs.gov website Q&A section. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back for another update. This information is being shared from irs.gov. You can go over the specific expenses with your tax preparer. Let's go ahead and get started with the first one. You use your home for business. Can you deduct the expenses? The answer state as per the irs.gov website, to deduct expenses related to the part of your home used for business, you must meet specific requirements. Even then, your deduction may be limited. You must use part of your home exclusively on a regular basis as your principal place of business, exclusively on a regular basis as a place where you meet or deal with patients, clients, customers in the normal course of your trade or business. In the case of a separate structure which isn't attached to your home, exclusively used on a regular basis in connection with your trade or business, on a regular basis for storage of inventory or product samples for use in your trade or business of selling products if your home is the only fixed location of the trade or business, as well as exclusively for rental use or as a daycare facility. Next, if you lease a vehicle, can you deduct the cost of the lease payments plus the standard mileage rate? The answer states if you lease a car you use in business, you may not deduct both lease costs and the standard mileage rate. You may either deduct the standard mileage rate for the business miles driven. If you choose this method, you must use the standard mileage rate method for the entire lease period, including renewals, or claim actual expenses, which would include lease payments. If you choose this method, only the business related portion of the lease payment is deductible, and an income inclusion amount reduces both of those deductions. So make sure you discuss this with your tax preparer. Also, business use of your car. If you use your car exclusively in your business, you can deduct car expenses if you use your car for both business and personal purposes. You must divide your expenses based on actual mileage, generally commuting expenses between your home and your business location within the area of your tax home are not deductible. You can deduct actual car expenses, which include depreciation or lease payments, gas and oil, tires, repairs, tune-ups, insurance, and registration fees. Or instead of figuring the business part of these actual expenses, you may be able to use the standard mileage rate to figure your deduction. For 2021, the standard mileage rate is 56 cents per mile. In 2022, the standard mileage rate increased to 58.5 cents per mile. If you are self-employed, you can also deduct the business part of interest on your car loan, state and a local personal property tax on the car, parking fees and tolls, whether or not you claim the standard mileage rate. Now, for more information on car expenses and the rules for using the standard mileage rate, go to irs.gov and type in the search publication 463. As you can see here, publication 463 is travel, gift, and car expenses. And here is some more breakdown of these travel expenses that you can deduct. For example, the first one says if you have expenses for transportation, then you can deduct the cost of, for example, travel by airplane, train, bus, or car between your home and your business destination. You can read the rest of that at your convenience. If you have expenses for taxi or commuter bus, it states here you can deduct the cost of your fares for these and other types of transportation that you take between the airport and the station and the hotel. For example, if you have expenses for baggage and shipping, sending baggage and or sample of display material between regular and temporary workplace, as well as the car expenses, lodging. You can review all of these specific expenses. All right, make sure to discuss them with your tax preparer. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for all of the information that matters to you most, because I am doing the research so you do not have to. And I will see every one of you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.